Lord have mercy. Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, today I am doing a refresh of my living room. As you guys can see, a lot of you guys know that I have a tiny apartment, so we're going to be refreshing it, switching stuff around, changing my Christmas decor for Valentine's decor. Guys, I don't decorate for winter because winter for me is just like all basically white, and I am not too fond of the white color because it gets dirty faster. But anyways, yeah guys, that's what I'm doing. So this is a collaboration with the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Deborah Cabassa Home Living. Guys, you know, we all have to clean our homes or apartment. Like for my example, I have a small apartment, so that's what I'm doing. So I will be changing my curtains. I will be taking out all my Christmas decorations from the Christmas tree. I will be keeping my tree up because I will be decorating it for Valentine's. But it's not going to stay in that corner. And my table also is going to be move around. So what I'm doing is a small living room refresh. Guys, my plants are not doing good. One of my daylilies is blooming. Thank God for that. But I'm going to take out the curtains because the curtains are holding a lot of light out, and my plants need light. I got all my plants crammed towards the window and they're still not doing good. So anyways, let me do a little bit of progress here and I'm gonna bring you guys back. Oh Lord have mercy. I don't know why the bottom of the table always get full of dust and hair, and it feels like no matter how much you clean, the place is never clean. Yeah guys, I'm the type of person that I clean every day. I'm dusting and you know, but at least every 1.5 to 2 months I like to move everything around. I like to deep clean because guys, the dust accumulate. So I'm just the type of person that when I clean, I move everything around because spiderweb gets formed. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you, oh, my house is nice and clean, like there's no dust. No. I know there's a lot of people on YouTube that they show their house so nice and clean and sparkly, but I'm showing you what really you have to go through when it comes to deep cleaning. For me, because like I say, I move everything, everything, everything. And I sweep for part, I sweep, I pick up, and then, what is this? I sweep, I pick up, I clean my heaters. I like to go with the vacuum. I have a little vacuum and clean them, but I don't need to do that right now because I clean my heaters. When I moved in here, it's been a year. It's actually been a year and a month that I've been living here. And then after that, 3 months after that, and I cleaned them before I decorated for Christmas. But yeah, guys, this is what I'm doing. So as you guys can see, everything is there. I'm going this way, then I start moving everything this way. I think I'm gonna leave my table here. So everything, the Christmas tree is going to be here. Of course, a little bit more this way. Like I said, I will be decorating for Valentine's. Guys, by the way, there's a lot of collaborations for Valentine's. Go to my community tab and check it out. Okay? Write it on your calendar. You are all invited to participate. And if you participate, use the hashtags. They're on the flyer. And once you mention and put our names in your description box in your video, we go to where the button says mention and your video will pop out and we will put you on the playlist. So guys, I want to say share, like, subscribe, and yeah, guys. So let me continue. I still gotta do the curtains. I will be moving the TV. I don't know, here or there. If I move it here, the light from the sun in the evening, it bothers the view. So I don't think I'm gonna put it here. I think I'm gonna put it here, because I need for the sunlight to come in. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right, guys. I decided to go with the very pale blue because I cannot find my pink ones. Plus, I think more lighting will come in through the window. And since it's lace, I will still have privacy. All right, guys, let's continue. Let's continue. Forbidden to go back to Vienna, that's because I'm forbidden to personally address him until he gets. It's always sad at night. This is what's going on so far. I know, guys, I am a hot mess right now. I'm polishing the furniture. I already finished the table. So now I'm doing the chairs. I swept like I don't know how many times, and all the time that I swept, I always pick something up. I water my plants. I clean my windowsills. I mean, even though I said I was not gonna clean my hair, I still went with the vacuum and I soak up whatever dust in my heater. You know, I had that baseboard here that goes down. I water my plants. I don't know if I said that. So yeah, guys, all I have to do is mop, but I am not gonna mop right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mop at the end of the night. So I'm gonna bring you guys back when I am completely done. Well, guys, I am done. Here it is. Of course, the Christmas tree is there. It's lit up. I take out my Christmas decor after Three Kings Day because we do celebrate January 6th. I took out the skirt from the bottom because I'm going to see if I buy one of those. You know, at the Dollar Tree they had those little tutu for little girls. For it's like a toy, so I want to place it underneath, and I want to see if I get a pink because, like I said, I will be decorating the Christmas tree for Valentine's. I will be leaving some of the red little bulbs, but everything else is gonna come out. We'll be leaving the topper. I will be taking the wreath in the front, and I will see if I find some white or pink toppers to put on the top. You know, you guys can see. So I got my plants. Like I said, I changed my curtains. That you guys see right there, little know, is my angel, is my solar light angel. I got my thing here. This is a box of light bulbs. I changed one of the light bulbs with back, so I changed it. So yeah, guys, this took me all day because I did clean. I did not just clean on the top, but it does. No, I polished. I took everything. I watered my plants. I take everything out of the tables. I polished it. I went around the baseboard. I went around the heater. I did everything, guys. Everything. My picture frames. I didn't show you that part, but you guys can see. If you guys go back to one of my previous videos, that picture frame I changed. I put the flowers over here. Yeah, guys, so let me come over here and leave it like I am a hot mess. Let me leave it like I always say. Guys, you don't want to see the other part. I'm still not done for the day. It is 5. So I'm going to now hit this. This was just in this living room because I cleaned everything. Now look at this. You see that? Boxes and stuff. So now I'm going that way. So let me leave it like I always say, guys. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.